Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to reveal to you how you can animate objects and elements in your Google Slides. So let's get right into it. So for demonstration purposes, let us go with that presentation template here. So select the slide here from the left and choose the element you would like to apply an animation effect to. Like, let's go with that text box here on that slide for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do, guys, to animate that object is, for example, if you'd like to apply a fade in effect, fade out, zoom in, zoom out effect, appear, disappear, let that element move from one point to another, and so on and so forth, is simply a left click on the given element and then select insert here at the top and choose animation from that drop down menu. That is going to open up that animation menu here on the right hand side. So what you want to do, guys, is, for instance, click on that trash icon here to the right if you'd like to delete the default animation, and after that simply click on that button below, add animation, and click on that arrow down icon here to select your preferred animation from that drop down menu. Like, you can go with an appear animation, a disappear, fly in from the left, fly in from the right, zoom in, zoom out, spin, and so on and so forth. So demonstration purposes, let me apply a fly in animation from the top. So click on it. After that, click on play here below to watch in the preview mode. As you can see, that animation effect has been successfully applied. Now you can also play around here, for example, with the animation's length or duration here on that slider by moving it to the left or to the right. So let me go with really slow animation, just like that. Click on play again to watch in the preview mode. And there you go. Alright, so let me apply another animation effect just for demonstration purposes. So click on that arrow down icon here and select, let's go with a fade in effect. Click on it, click on play to watch in the preview mode. And there you go. It has been successfully applied. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.